The upcoming Pixel 9a is generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. This mid-range smartphone is expected to offer an excellent balance of performance and affordability. But what makes it even more exciting is a potential pre-order bonus that could add even more value. According to a trusted source, Google might be offering a free Google TV streamer to those who pre-order the Pixel 9a in select regions. This device, priced at around $100, makes the deal even more tempting for potential buyers. A well-known tech leaker, Roland Quan, has revealed that customers in certain parts of Europe who purchase the Pixel 9a through specific Google partners will get this free streaming device. While this offer has only been confirmed for a few markets, it's unclear if the same deal will be available in other regions, including the United States. Since the official announcement of the Pixel 9a is expected very soon, more details should be available shortly. For those unfamiliar, a TV streamer is a device that connects to a television via HDMI and allows users to access streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+. It transforms any regular TV into a smart TV, making it a useful gadget for anyone who enjoys watching content online. If you don't already have a streaming device, this bonus could be a great addition to your setup. Now let's talk about the phone itself. The Pixel 9a is rumored to feature a 6.3-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 2424 pixels. It is expected to support a 120 Hz refresh rate, which will provide smoother scrolling and better overall responsiveness. To ensure durability, the screen will be protected by Gorilla Glass 3, making it more resistant to scratches and minor impacts. When it comes to performance, the Pixel 9a is expected to be powered by Google's Tensor G4 processor combined with 8 GB of RAM. Storage options will likely include 128 GB and 256 GB, though expandable storage may not be available as previous Pixel models have typically lacked microSD card support. The camera setup on the Pixel 9a is expected to include a 48-megapixel main sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This combination should deliver high-quality photos, even in low-light conditions. For selfies and video calls, the front-facing camera is rumored to be 13 megapixels, offering clear and sharp images. Battery life is another key factor for smartphone users, and the Pixel 9a is said to come with a 5,100 mAh battery. This should provide enough power to last an entire day on a single charge. Wireless charging support is also expected, offering more convenience for users who prefer a cable-free charging experience. Additionally, the phone is rumored to have an IP68 rating, which means it will be resistant to dust and water, making it a more durable option. As for pricing, the Pixel 9a is expected to start at $499 for the 128 GB variant in the United States. The 256 GB model could be priced at $599, though some reports suggest it might go up to $649. A significant price jump could make it less appealing to budget-conscious buyers. The final pricing will be confirmed at launch. The official unveiling of the Pixel 9a is expected to take place on March 19, with pre-orders likely to open on the same day. If Google includes the free Google TV streamer in your region, it could be a great opportunity to grab a solid smartphone along with a useful bonus. Would you be interested in pre-ordering the Pixel 9a if it comes with a free streaming device? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this update helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech updates.